everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Judy Africana TV, and of course welcome to my kitchen. So today I am going to show you my Nigerian jollof rice recipe, how I make my Nigerian jollof rice recipe. Jollof rice is a popular food in some parts of Africa, and there was this time there was this tug of war about who makes the best jollof rice. So follow me to my kitchen and I will show you one of the best Nigeria jollof rice recipe you can ever find on YouTube. Trust me. All right, let's get straight into the ingredients. Welcome to my kitchen. So to start with, I've got 4 cups of rice, and I have got my water in the kettle that I'm going to boil and pour over the rice. Then I've got my sliced bell pepper, different colors, and also cabbage. If you've not tried cabbage in your Nigerian jollof rice, you are missing out. You need to try cabbage in your jollof rice. Trust me, you're going to love it. And then I've got my grilled tomato. I'll put out a video soon on how I grill and blend my tomato and pepper and onions. Trust me, the flavor is so different and it saves time, from all the boiling and all of that. So I've got my tomato paste, that's about 3 tablespoons. I've got my grilled chicken stock. All is grill. I love to grill my chicken. I just prefer grilling instead of boiling. And then I've got my pepper and ginger and garlic in this little bowl. This pepper is really spicy, so if you're not the type that likes spicy food, maybe you can just leave the spicy pepper out of it. I've got my sliced carrots, and then I've got minced meat over there. You need to try minced meat in your jollof rice as well if you've not. So green beans, a lot of sliced onions, sunflower oil, and then I've got lots of spices as well. So yeah, I've got my salt, and I've got my paprika. That's smoked paprika. Oh, sorry, the hot one. I've got 2 types of paprika, hot one and smoked one. Cinnamon, which is very good in adding flavor to your jollof rice. And I've got, that's the smoked paprika, my aromatic powder seasoning, and I've got my turmeric, thyme. So to begin with, I'm going to put on the kettle so that I boil some water, which I will pour over the rice. Some people do prefer to just boil water in the pot, add their rice to it, and allow it to simmer for like 5 minutes. You can do whatever suits you, but just boiling water and pouring over the rice is very easy to do. And then I'm going to heat up my oil. You can use any oil of your choice, but not palm oil. Definitely not palm oil. And so I'm using sunflower oil in this recipe, and you can see the quantity that I just added to the pot. Not too much because my chicken stock has got oil as well. So you can watch me do the rest. All right, add your onions. I've got 2 shapes of sliced onions, a bigger one and some smaller ones. I need the bigger ones at the end of the cooking. Okay, so my onion has been frying for like 3 minutes, so it's time to add my blended ginger, garlic, and pepper. This pepper is really spicy, and that's because I love spicy food. If you do not like spicy food, I advise you skip out the pepper. But for me and my family, we really love spicy food, so I am team spicy food. All right, so I'm gonna allow that for 2 minutes just to enable the pepper release its flavor, and then I added my minced beef. If you have not tried minced beef in your jollof rice, oh my goodness, please do. It's going to take your jollof rice to a whole new level. All right, so it's been 5-7 minutes, and the minced beef is ready. So I'm going to add my tomato paste. The tomato paste is really you need it in your jollof rice. It gives color, and gives some kind of very good flavor to your jollof rice, but you have to fry it for like 5 minutes. Allow it to cook for like 5 minutes before you add your tomato puree. Okay, so my rice has been in the hot water for like 10 minutes, and so I'm just gonna wash off the starch and run cold water over it. Be very careful not to get yourself burnt, and just wash off the starch and put it in the sieve and allow the water to drain out. My tomato paste is ready, and the next step is to add the tomato puree. So like I said, this tomato is already grilled, so it's not gonna cook for a very long time. I'm just going to add my chicken stock as well. You can use boiled chicken stock, but for me, the grilled one gives it a special flavor. Now I'm going to add my non-cube. I've got 2 types, the chicken one, and I've also got the beef cube. Oh my goodness, please, you need to try beef cube in your jollof rice. Beef cube gives it a special flavor. If you've never tried it, I am pleading with you, try it. I know people always love my jollof rice, so I'm sharing all my secrets with you. Try a mixture of beef and chicken cube in your jollof rice. And another spice that you need is cinnamon. Cinnamon is very important when you're cooking jollof rice because it gives it a very good flavor as well. I mean, what more can I say? You need all of these goodies so that your jollof rice will come out, better than... No, I don't want to start trouble, but I know Nigeria makes the best jollof rice. Don't come for me. Okay, so my tomato sauce is ready. I didn't allow it to cook for too long because, like I said, the tomato is already grilled. And I'm just going to add the already washed rice to it, and then I'm going to stir and cover and allow it to simmer for like another 5 minutes. I'm not going to add the water immediately because I boiled another water to add to the rice, but the secret is don't add your water immediately. Once you add your rice, just the way I'm doing it now, cover it for like 5 minutes, allow the sauce to get into the rice, and then you can come back and add some water. Okay, so now I'm going to add the hot water, but I'm going to make sure the water sit at the same level with the rice, not above the rice, because you don't want your jollof rice to be too soggy or to be soggy at all. So the hot water should be on the same level as the rice. If you do that, you're going to achieve a good jollof rice. So I'm going to stir and cover, and of course this time you have to be the best judge. Make sure you do this part on low heat. Make sure you do this part on low heat. Reduce the heat, whatever you're using to cook, just make sure it's on low heat. Okay, so there we go. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Really, really lovely. And yeah, so the jollof rice is almost cooked. Just before the water dries out completely, that's when I add my diced carrot and the green running beans. These are optional, but as you know, vegetables are very important when it comes to food. So I always add vegetables, and that's my cabbage waiting. I do add the cabbage, when the rice is fully cooked, because I don't like cooking the cabbage. Don't want it overdone. So when the rice is ready, I just add the cabbage to it, and allow the heat from the rice to maybe just cook it up, but not really cooking it up. Whatever that means. Okay, so yeah. Ooh, Nigeria jollof rice. Okay, so now it's time for me to sizzle my onions and bell pepper. This is optional, but like I said, vegetables are very important when it comes to food. So I'm going to heat up some oil and then just sizzle the onions and bell pepper. If you add it straight away into the rice, it's still okay, but to give it a nice flavor, you can just sizzle it a little bit and then add into the rice. You can see that my jollof rice is really cooked, it's ready. So it's time to add the cabbage. And once I add the cabbage, that's it, it's ready. Ooh, good food is good. Okay, so I've seasoned the onions and pepper, and now I'm just going to add to the rice, and everything is ready, ready. You see how easy it is to make? So my Nigerian jollof rice is ready, and trust me, this is authentic. The aroma from this pot, oh my goodness. Woo! Yay! So that's how to make, authentic Nigerian jollof rice, the party one. I know they said, and trust me, it does have the smoky flavor that we are all looking for. Why? Because of the smoked paprika and the cinnamon. So if you are looking for a way to smoke your jollof rice, you can always add smoked paprika to your jollof rice. It does give it that smoky, that party rice flavor. So there we go. Beautiful. Really, really beautiful. I'm so happy that I've decided to make this video. I mean, it's long overdue. All right, I hope you enjoyed every part of this video. I'm just going to show you how I served it, and that's it. We're done. Please, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. God bless you. Okay, the review time. Wow, that's it. So this is how I served my jollof rice. A lot of vegetables, and some roasted chicken by the side there. Okay, so that's me done with this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much to you all my subscribers. I really do appreciate you, and even those of you watching my videos, maybe you have not subscribed yet. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. You all are lovely, and I love you all too. Thank you. And till we meet in the next video, I'm just gonna say bye. Keep safe, and God preserve you.